It's December 6th, and we're out here in the garden, and we're going to do a little electroculture update. Now, we do have our aerial antenna, and I can't say if there's a noticeable improvement of anything by it. Not to say that it could be, but what I want to talk about is my broccoli. Now, I have two batches of broccoli. This one down here is a couple weeks behind the other. But what I want you to see is how we have damage from our cold. We did get down into 27, and some of these leaves on here really took it, and a bunch of them are affected. All the way down here, they're affecting the. Here I see if there's any broccoli starting down in there, but it's affecting. The cold had really bit some of these leaves back, and now I can't say exactly. Now there's no electroculture here except that aerial antenna, and it's not. I don't think close enough to give any effect there. But now we're going to go up here. This is my Victorian victory garden, or my call my added garden space, where I encourage people to grow. But this space here, we put in magnetic antennas that they run here. This is the south end, and it's running down towards the north. But we put these antennas in here. Now I can't think, some of these broccolis, like this one, was planted when the other, because we'd lost some. But these broccoli up here show very little damage to frost. Now it's got a yellowing leaf on the bottom, which is not going to be frost related, but they don't show the stress from when the temperatures got real low. There's a little bit of on those leaves, but that's it. The rest of them seem fine. Now these are beginning to produce little heads off in some of them. I saw one yesterday when I was looking. They're just now starting to produce their heads, but the main thing, and it could be just anecdotal, it may be because the rows run north to south and the others run east to west. I can't really say, but I can say that's a notable difference. And I know that electroculture can affect the growth and cause microclimates. Now we do have one leaf right here on the end that got burnt pretty good. But that's the update. All the plants that are in these two rows are doing super well, considering this is a new bed this year. It was, I believe it was this year we put it in. Time flies when you're having fun in the garden. But it's not near the age of these other beds. These have had 3 or 4 years of amendment with compost, just like we had just recently did these. We'll put on, every year we'll put on a couple to 3 inches of compost, wood chip compost, to revitalize them, give it a lot of organic matter, keep the microbiology going. But like I say, it's really noticeable in here, the difference versus that. And those are well established beds, plenty of nutrients. You know, these were really doing poor compared to the others because they were new. But once I put the electroculture, as you can see it, they really come on as far as the plants are really happy in them. So I'm going to say the magnetic antennas in this bed, I think, really are affecting it. And we'll continue to watch this. But anyway, if you're into electroculture or you're trying to find out about it and you want to follow along, well, hit that subscribe, uh, hit the bell and select all. Give her a big thumbs up and share my video. Happy gardening.